Pati playground, di na pinatawad ah. Nice! Okay, malupit. Okay, that video number 1 is by Kyle. Okay, check natin yung next video by Lucernas Yuji.
I'm so in love with you. You're masterpiece. I support out.
Okay, that's video number 2. Yan guys, anong sa tingin nyo? Yan, si 1 or si 2 or eto, yung next na malupit daw, si Nash, video number 3. Wow! Oh! Parang palaka na hindi ko maintindihan. Okay, nice. Aray ko. Nice. Okay, guys. That's video number 3 by Nash. Yan, Nash. Gusto ko yung ginawa mo nung una, ha? Ang taas nun, ha? Yan, biglang tumalon, pero naka-handstand pa rin. Handstand ba tawag doon? Yan. Wow. Okay, Nash. You got my 2 thumbs up for you. Okay, that's video number 3. Let's move on to number 4. Okay, nice. Oh, good. Okay, that's a video number 4 by Neil John Baguio. Ang gulat ako dun ah. Yan, ang ganda ng execution niya, di ba? Holding yung maliit na bar, going, biglang pitik papunta sa bar na nakabalance pa rin siya. Great one, okay? Another 2 thumbs up para sa'yo. Okay, let's go for video number 5, which is Rafael Estravela. Okay. From 2 hand to 1 hand stand. Pero sana mas maganda kung nakita ko nung gaano katagal yung 1 hand stand mo. Pero anyways, yan. Thumbs up sa'yo, Rafael Estrava. That's video number 5. And let's move on to video number 6, which is kay Taganis. Yan, what's up, Taganis? Okay, here we go. Oh! Oh my God. Deboto pa ba to? Okay, that's video number 6 by Taganis. Guys, nakita nyo, letter C na. Halos wala na ata buto yun eh. Ang galing. And next, check natin si video number 7, which is si Jan Soiko. Terrains. Yan, check natin. Whoa! Oh my God. Nice. Okay. Wait. Nice. Great execution. Ang ganda ng production niya. Okay. Gamit yung plangketa. Medyo malayo po yung hawak niya. End to end. Tapos triangle yung pinaka-handle niya na nakapatong lang sa pako. Wow, lala. Another kakaibang calisthenics na ano ba matatawag natin na to? Tricks. Whew. Okay, last one. Check natin video number 8 by Gel Ladrada. Yan, Gel Ladrada. Check natin. Okay. Ulit to. Parang kangkorot na panaka na hindi mo maintindihan. Okay, that's last video number 8 kay Jel Ladrada. Jel Ladrada, wow okay, ganda ng pagkapitik mo dun sa ano, pagkabitaw dun sa ano, tapos pagbitaw dun sa bar mo, yung bar handle mo, tapos sabay lapag sa lapag, tapos nagtatatalong kang parang kang karot na palaka. Ang lupit! Okay! So that's it guys. Yun po yung top 8 natin na calisthenics. Yan, marami pang nakapila. Yan, makikita pa natin yung mga iba-ibang kaangasan or yung creativity nila about this calisthenics. So guys, kayo kung sino ang pinakamaangas sa inyo sa top 8, yan, comment lang po sa comment section at doon po tayo mag-usap. Okay? Peace and one love guys until to the next calisthenics. What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys. And shoutout time po tayo. First shoutout po kay Jerome Basa from Quezon City. Next shoutout naman po kay James Donelito Corpin. What's up? Next shoutout po kay Raymar Babak from Abra. Hey, what's up, Raymar? And next po kay Chris James A. Derrick. Hey, what's up, Chris? Next shoutout po kay Bacho Dino. Hey, what's up, Bacho Dino? And last one po, yan, kay Gabriel David from Sablayan, Occidental, Mindoro. Yan, siya po si Kakalbo Vlogs. Yan, kung gusto nyo i-follow si Gabriel David, yung kanyang vlog na which is Kakalbo Vlogs yan. So, follow nyo lang siya. So, that's it guys. Until to the next time po na mga shoutout natin at malulupit na mga calisthenics na nakikita natin dito sa SOCMED. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Peace and one love guys.